Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Reasons with China. Big up all the lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners and appreciation. And to other new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax and enjoy the vibe. Let's get into it. How they do everyone. Wagwan, how things, how life are treating you, how 2024 are going so far. What's up? Yes, my love. So by now, you know me and Agnes with daily routine, don't it? You don't know me by now. You're supposed to know me and Agnes like a book. You should have studied me and Agnes by now. By now, whenever time we cross on the mind, the first thing you're supposed to say to yourself, I say, I wonder if Fufa ya China and Agnes gone now. I wonder which part China and Agnes they now. I wonder if Fufa business China and Agnes are going give now. I that to no fear say. Anywho, me love, we go back up and walk holy passing thing. We go back up and walk holy pass something. Over for tea lady yard, me love, it look like I said tea lady have the whole of the sinting them pack up in her front late last year, bungle up and wait till now for come dash out, me loves. Because a whole heap of something she a go on with, you know. Me loves, a whole heap of something she a go on with me dear. It's like I said, she was waiting pan this moment. All the galang where she a galang with the one thing when me want to come out here come address all now she not touch it. She a go around the thing. Till lady, you're going around the thing, man. You're going around the thing. I me tell her say I don't like suspense. She depend everything else me love and everybody else. But she now can't tell what the things them she now can't confirm say. She and 13 did a communicate in a messenger but she never know say a 13. She now make we know say she and 13 was besties in a messenger. The only thing is that she never know who she a communicate with. Yeah, 13 going undercover pan her, she never know. And them something that we want to talk about till lady. We don't want to hear the regular sinting, the everyday sinting, man. We want you see that one you oil fresh. And them something yeah we want you to talk about, man. We tired of the everyday sinting to the same people, them the same topic, them. Me can't bother with that one then no more, man. Yes, bruh. My love she come out for everybody. And when me say everybody, my love she call some name and some she don't call. But the names them where she not call, we know say they fit somewhere. And the one of them umbrella they where she up and out over there pan her lives, my love. And me hear she cuss out one new somebody. Me hear that somebody name there before. Me think me hear River Planka shop and me hear River Fear yard too. But I never go check out that somebody yard, my love. I never check out that somebody yard until today. But first and foremost, she addressed the Mr. Fletcher man that a trending drama. Yes, she addressed him. But she never cuss him. She just a tell him say when him a talk about her, him not fi mislead, right? Him not fi mislead him followers them to make she look like she's this bad smarty. Him fi talk about the positive side of things when it comes to her and whatever. I know a few other little things, but Mr. Fletcher, man, you're out here a long time. Mr. Fletcher, you're out here a long time, sir. Not because she come to you so cool and calm. You understand? Not because and say she address you so cool and calm. You better brace yourself, sir. Brace yourself. This is a warning. This is a warning. You're out here a long time and you're supposed to study them your people you have to know, say, especially she. The majority of the time when she not come out with full force. You understand? She come calm. So who to tell this is just the smoke? She'll be back. Hey, she will be back. The worst like how she said, it look like I say you're leaning back towards the planka side. She watching you. She's watching you, sir. Hey. So you stay there by your ha 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 when she attack. She coming back. She's coming back. But when you a play fool fi catch wise too because you study or you know or you're out in these streets a long time, years, span up of years now, so you know how the ropes run out here so. So yes, my loves, she said what she saying to Mr. Fletcher and she move along. She all said that him no say she not trouble people unless them provoke her. And that she say no my loves. She say Mr. Fletcher man supposed to know say she not trouble people unless them provoke her. T-lady man. T-lady if it tap till they serious lie there no man. You big woman you know. You fit tap till they serious lies there man. Anyway, as I was saying, no, my love, she move on, right? And she touched this lady now down at Antigua. So when she attack no me, I listen to me. And me, I said then, I wish somebody paya we know come from Antigua. And me go in and me brain box and I think and I think and I think and I think. And lo and behold, by she talking and talking and talking now, I pick up say that the lady from over so the motivational speaker lady. Yes, that the lady feel lady. Yes, as she and I talk me love. So she take her hand now, me love, because and say she has said that from in October. Them time there, you have people where that come buy her cake them just because problems. So I know I buy the cake them because and say they don't want it. She said them I buy her cake them because problems with her out here on the social media streets. And she blamed the lady from Antigua for that. She say she I fault of that. She said the Antigua lady almost devastate her business, my loves. Hence the reason me dear children she come out for her, she cuss her, so till I bring the lady husband in a the Tory out here. Yes, my love, I want enough something she cuss her and tell her enough whole heap of things, my love. Anyways, she move on to one nether somebody and that somebody now make she get worse or cross, hungry and miserable, my loves. You come like I say, that life the way she do, I did fear 10 tourists in a one that because that I breed more than 10 tourists in a one and many tourists into one, my love. So this is somebody I know how a man was a chef man. So I don't know what the chef man do to her, my loves. So when me get fi understand now, is that the chef man he's from Canada. And my love, she rough him up wicked. So the lady you want tell me say, as so much sinting you have backlop into for you too much, ma. As so much sinting you have backlop all about in you. No, man. And you just now decide to come out. I will really trigger her, my loves. I don't know, but me go book up in her, How I really trigger her. Or she just couldn't keep down nothing more in her, you understand? So she just have to come out, come belt it out. She all a bust out conversation where the two of them did have on WhatsApp, my loves. For she say, the two of them used to chat the lady at the yard, my love, that are over 99 days. So, she said the two of them used to chat her. And she encouraged him, you understand? But now if you ever like I said, them pop away, for some reason of this sort, them pop away, but me don't know what cause the pop away between the two of them. But she now say, that the Mr. Chef man say, that now from Lady D start sharing him over for her platform, she catch up into her feelings and chat to him. I believe him. The lady had not lie, I believe him. Once Lady D share somebody, right? Once Lady D share somebody out there, them suddenly become, or them automatically become your enemy. Worse if you no used to communicate before them automatically become your enemy. So I believe him. I'm not tell no lie. I mean, I go play no hypocrite and Madam T lady. I believe the gentleman say you tap chat to him because and say Lady D share him out. And she did boss it up on him, my love. She boss it up on him wicked. Me say wicked, my love. She boss it up on him wicked. Because she say him use her to get followers and views for him platform. Guess my love. She say that the whole of them do them friend her and once then get the views and the followers them then turn against her. And my dear love, she styled the man in the worst way. She called the man mama man. She call him homo. She call him dirty man. All kind of enough holy pa names, my love. She come out with a vengeance for him. She come out with a vengeance for him, my dear children. And according to her now, she say the man is, with the Jamaica Tourist Board. So basically, when I get from this, the man is no commoners out here. You understand, my love? He man no commoners. He man no crebe. So now it look like I said is a man now we get highlights out there pan a regular. You understand because me here she a quarrel and say every day the man in a glean a star. He say every day him cock up in a newspaper. And them something there but Mr. Chef man. Hey, Mr. Chef man. If you used to communicate this with this woman and you used to follow her on her platform, sir, you're supposed to know her by now. She is the famous letter writer out here. And the way how she sounding is that she planning on writing some letters. Just by listening to her and the things them we come out her mouth, you can't expect say. We can't expect say. She go and put pen to papers and do what she do best out here, my loves. So me loves now, while me dear and me hear how she had disrespect the man or something and the things them where she a say. It kind of drag me curiosity, draggy, and me decide, say, what? Me want God this year man I go find out if a the man trigger her or what cause her fishy, come out so suddenly with all of them something, yeah. So I leave here yard for a while. You understand me loves me tell Agnes, come back we go see if we can find this year man yard. Me ask Agnes if she know him. Agnes said no, but she heard of him, she heard the name before. Me love the man name Chef. Chef, Lord have mercy, I wonder if me figure. Then call him Chef Noel. So how went and search and search. All kind of people me see me ask them if they know a man when name Chef Noel. Some say them no know him, but eventually now me buck up past somebody me loves and she give me one direction. By the time me reach a Chef Noel yard, me love hot tired, hot shot a bird to that kill me. You don't know how much time me last, me love. You don't know how much time me last. The direction said that we fi go over the bridge round, so take the first right turn, hankalang, so till we see one blue house. She said the blue house, so we see another that the house there in front of the blue house now, one white house there, so it's not that one either. We fi pass here and good on, and then we are going to see one mountain. We fi climb over the mountain and one river there right below upon the other side of the mountain though. We not fi walk in at the deep part. She said the part them we see the whole heap of rock stone, we not fi walk this either because the rock stone there is slimy. So if we drop, but if we take we little time and wade through the water and part wait till we cross the river. When we cross the river now we are going to see one little track, one little red dirt track, go through the little red dirt track now and then so we are going to walk up on one crossroad right down there so now. And we are going to take the left side over the crossroad and go round little bit more to the left part, my loves. Yes, and we are going to see one deep corner. Take the deep corner, go down and come up and go down and come up and go down and come back up. And then we are going to see one house and one big mountain top over. So they say, and they saw the man live. So at the so now, my love, we go and we find him. Well, we never see him. We find him yard, me love, cause me want to see. You understand what this your man you do to her that she can come out so cross and hungry for the man. But lo and behold, me loves. I never really see like the man did I say not me see the man over there within business, them put up on him food, them and him cake and all kind of something. But me did it and feel uneasy. Come here, say then something no right. I wonder if a man have nothing to hide no about the place. Anyway, me tell Agnes, say Agnes, you know what? Make we go along back over till the other one, that day we come back because probably the man no respond yet. So now. The past where we are past now, my lover, one mind say if you take a peep over 13 yard. And when I take a peep over 13 yard, my lover, God send we over there. Me loves a God send we over there. Me say her buck up one sign from the man yard where 13 take up from the man yard can go over fear yard. No, you don't know why me couldn't see not because the man put up the sign out there and get and 13 take you can go put over fear yard. You don't see them height and slackness ya me love. Anyway, I see the sign. I see the sign and me love between me and Uno him never cuss her, Him never cuss her. Me loves the sign where put up out there he go say. Me I go read it and tell you where he go say. Me dear children, if him then a cuss her out and him clot her over so this a sin thing you can imagine if him did cuss her. Me love it very touching. It very touching. He go say, last night I pray for tea lady and him never say tea lady pan him sign. Him call her the TC name, but me I go just say tea lady. Him said, last night I pray for tea lady. It was a good, clean prayer. I pray that you find healing, closure in whatever you're struggling with. Whether it's drugs, God, it's touching. Whether it's drugs, anxiety, alcoholism, bad mind, or constant delusional disorder. Father God, see, I know I didn't trouble you. And if I did, I would have a reason to back and forth with you because I would have a reason why I trouble you. Till the man pray for you, say not till he put you in the hands of the Lord. Me alabal, me love, me alabal. And the other part now him say, but you are honestly beneath me. Oh, Jesus. Him said, till lady beneath him. You are honestly beneath me, so I wouldn't waste time giving you an audience. Mercy God, I did exactly what Matthew 5 verse 44 said we should do. Because I promise your battle will be hot and I want to do something about it. Till you hear that? Him say want to do something about your hot battle. That mean to say you know till you go hell. Oh Jesus. Till you're going to oh God, control yourself, chin, control yourself. Agnes, me feel it, man. Agnes, not tell me me control myself. Agnes, me feel it. Yeah, touch you, man. You know feel it too. He not touch you. Till lady, the man never have to rub and scrub and dub your master fi done you. If done your till lady, you have to go find peace within yourself. Go make peace with yourself. And the rest of it go now. So which part me reach again, me loves? Yes, he said, I just want to see you live in peace. You've been miserable your whole life. And I want to let you know that it is well. Till lady him say it is well. I don't know why I say it is well. It now I say go me don't know where again, but my love say it is well. Till lady he say it is well. Tabitha told Wendy Brown keep God first. And I'm telling you the same. Don't just call his name or call it up. Don't just use his name, right? Him said, don't just use his name or call it up, but get to know him. Allow him to use you and pull you from your stagnancy. Make you have to use that word there, sir. Stagnancy. You know, say stagnancy around social media, sir. Why you have to use that part there, sir? Him say God fi pull Tilly from our stagnancy, my loves. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. And you have been hated your whole life by your own parents or your picnic them. But I'm gonna treat you with love and light. I love you, tea lady. And him never said tea lady. Him said, I love you, Tina, drug mule chin. And so him say, and then you know him drop a one Yolanda Adams Panara said the battle is not yours. Oh God, I feel it, tea lady. I feel that one. I feel it to my core. My loves, I feel it. I'm not lying. Till lady and that Mr. Chef Noel have panning sign over there. And 13 why you take up the man sign go put to your yard. Little most all of this you would have missed me and I wouldn't see it, you know. Eh? Little most all of this you would have missed me and I wouldn't see it. Why? Till lady and I like everywhere you turn you get a horse. Till lady. Everybody you pick pan you get a horse. No you pick pan this your chef man you know till lady. We know what you up to you know. We know you want to start off something new with this your chef man you know. Some problem now you want create now if you go mix up the man all about past social media. So you turn pan this your man you know. And everywhere you turn now till lady you get kicking at your behind. Ima? And you know when me listen to you, and me I go use back the same word upon you where you use in your video, right? And till you say that sometime people need to hear the truth, right? And that the truth makes people uncomfortable. So me have some truth we go tell you now, till you. I'm not lying, I have some truth we tell you. Because based on my observations, now you know, tea lady, all the way you come out with them, your whole thing, you will pass and gone from the was a boy, or from Christopher Columbus, come discover Jamaica and thing. All of them, they thing, the way you come up with now, tea lady, that is not the real cause of the problem. This is not the real cause of the problem, still, lady. You want come out long before now too, but because you ain't come out in our time, come claim say who you now come out come in and no mix up or no bangarang or no distraction because you're focusing on your business and you're making your coins. So you never want come out them the time they make it look like I say, you know. So you wait until it kinda cool down. You come out now and stir up all kind of thing because as much as nobody then see you out here in the public like that now you know tea lady ma'am. You did just come out here and go and like I say walk kill your more than anybody else. But between me and you, tea lady, talk it truth now. I know the whole t-shirt same thing where lady D come out with more stagnancy. Tea lady, you know me tell you all the well so you can't tell me anything. You know, have nothing to do with the t-shirts and thing. We come out now, tea lady, me know see that your problem, you know. Tea lady, I know this is your problem, this stagnancy t-shirt. Them coming out and you know, so them are going to go like a hot bread. And you know, say, your sister Valentine's coming up and she have plans for Valentine's too. And you know, said just like that, everything I got just slap way and gone clean, clean. She do even have to advertise it. All she need to do is come out contact. And just like that, hard as pantapa, hard as pantapa, hard as because me don't know. When you not go to school, you see tea lady. I wonder if you ain't get that storybook, your tea lady. You ain't get that storybook when you go to school, we do a story in night where you go say, my dad sitting another with the golden touch, the king where everything in touch turn gold. You know that story there? Yes, so lady, do you know what you know? And the modern day Midas, everything she touch, my love, turn into gold. So we know that are your problem. Nobody come with no all kind of thing now till you different down in the past. I can stir up now. I try for bills, try fire. That is not the problem. That is not the problem, and that is my truth to you now, T lady. All the while you come out and say you don't trouble people, or people trouble you. You don't trouble people, or people trouble you until you know within yourself, so you're lying. Till you know within yourself, say a liar tell when you say that. But between me and you see, ma. Hey, till you between me and you, one of them day I tell you all the while you know, go and mess with the wrong smaddy. Uno is going to mess with the wrong smaddy, especially you, and you go get a permanent cocoa. One of them find there till you go pick up a rotted big stone somewhere, you go get a permanent cocoa, my love. Make your favor unique and for the rest of your life. And it no must be a literal big stone. And you know, at the rate how you go possibly it can be literal too, but me I refer to the big stone in a figurative way. You understand? For your name bill. Till your name bill. You don't have no chill whatsoever, but one of these find here, somebody cup I go overflow. Somebody I go get tired of you. Somebody I go have enough of you. And then them I go step to you in a way where you're not gonna like it, till lady. One of these days you go learn the hard way. But by now you should have realized that you have the most enemy on your social media. You have the most enemies out here. Nobody likes you. Nobody, not even you, not like you. You have a bill and you have a chill. Because people are getting tired of you. You realize what you say about the chef pan so no they good together, you don't know what cause it. You don't know what cause the papa way between you and him now. Till the people are finding you out. People finding you out. Little by little, bit by bit. So right there, so you have a lot of people when want to associate themselves with you. People are draw away from you. Right? You know what time you come out and you say you're focusing on your business. And that you say no. But now that you look at you see your name now they all over the place, pan people, all kind of different platforms. Nobody no really a call up your name. It's like I say you know like quietness, you know like peace. You like to hear your name and ring up and down about pan social media. You love attention, you love up in the spotlight. So because nobody now call your name, you feel like I say, oh yeah, fade out now. So you come out now and do things and I say things for you know gain little relevance or for remain relevant. Well not remain. You come out now and try do things for get little relevance. Yeah, you know like the quietness. You don't like the quietness. You like nice, you like baga, you like bangarang. You like when your name a ring up all over the place. This is unnecessary drama you will come out. Me not see no sense in what you come out with. No sense what you come out with this whole heap of nice and make pass social media. All of this never necessary. Not more than true. You see the woman come out with her t-shirt, something, they may trigger you. You act up your sinus. You act up your allergy. Because you're allergic to other people's success. You can't stand for see other people strive. But tell you the all way you go say, ma'am. All way you go say. All way you do you not realize that the woman now flop? You not realize that the sooner you accept and you admit that you can size up with this woman and you are not in the same league, then it will work out better for you. Because she a beat you by far. Me nah lie, she dey way ahead of you, tea lady. She dey way ahead of you, my love. You can't compete with her. You can't compete with her. And this no fear for you. You understand me, tea lady? This no fear for you. You have to compete with the same people them where you and them in the same league. Compete with the people them where you and them in the same league. Your chest too high, man. And in a life, sometimes you have to learn to accept defeat and take time and work by yourself. Upon which part you go wrong. Take your time to grow and build after your own. Not try ride past somebody back in a negative way. That not gonna get you nowhere. That not gonna get you nowhere. And all the time a swiftness or quickness win. Sometimes the slow and steady are the best. But you in a too much heat right now and he got to try to outdo this woman. And you only do yourself more harm than good right now, trust me. Your method just now work for you. Basically, you only do yourself more harm than good right now, tea lady. I'm not lying. You coming out here and cuss people about mental issues and all kind of something. Tea lady, you have severe mental issues back with. Eh? You're living in denial. Right now, you need to be protected from yourself. So stay there. Anyway, my loves, I've come to the end of another video. Please remember to like up the channel. Turn on your notification bell if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all soon in another video. So big up on yourself. Enjoy the rest of the day, and see you later.